Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Please share the vibrations of every day with every person you know so that we can all get further in touch with ourselves and how we vibrate, Today is the day of Saturday, which is Loner Day. Loner. Loner is about silence, solitude, physicality. It can also be about grief and death. You know, subjects we don't always want to talk about so much. But on Saturdays, we can feel these things even more so, even deeper, and contemplate them for our own spiritual growth. Alan Watts was a loner spiritually. Ram Dass was a loner spiritually. Billie Holiday was a loner spiritually. They would be called Hatha yogis in the East. But let me read something about grief while I play the vibration of the day on this instrument called the ektar. In the Lakota Sioux tradition, a person who is grieving is considered most waken, most holy. There's a sense that when someone is struck by the sudden lightning of loss, he or she stands on the threshold of the spirit world. The prayers of those who grieve are considered especially strong. And it is proper to ask them for their help. You might recall what it's like to be with someone who is grieved deeply. The person has no layer of protection, nothing left to defend. The mystery is looking out through that person's eyes. For the time being, he or she has accepted the reality of loss and has stopped clinging to the past or grasping at the future. In the groundless openness of sorrow, there is a wholeness of presence and a deep, natural wisdom. Frankincense is the fragrance of the day. The color is black, or that really midnight blue, that really, really dark blue that is almost black. And here's a little something about death from the book, The Sheltering Sky. Because we don't know when we will die, we get to think of life as an inexhaustible well. Yet everything happens only a certain number of times, and a very small number, really. How many more times will you remember a certain afternoon of your childhood? An afternoon that is so deeply a part of your being that you can't even conceive of your life without it. Perhaps 4, 5 times more. Perhaps not even that. How many more times will you watch the full moon rise? How many more times will you watch the full moon rise? Perhaps 20? And yet, it all seems limitless. It all seems limitless. It all seems limitless.